I just freehand made this sign with a router. I've never done anything like that before, but it turned out really well. I really like how these animals carvings went. The letters, I need some more practice on, but it wasn't bad for a first time. So they're outset letters with the cloud shape around them. So let's take a quick look and see how I did it. The first thing I did is I went online and just found some images that I liked, and then I stuck them together. You can see it's just a piece of paper that I taped on there. I taped it on the top so I can flip it up and down as I go and just check my progress until I'm done. So the two animal pictures, I mean, there's all kinds of them out there online. Obviously, I just Googled like cartoon animal silhouettes or something like that. Pretty easy to find that kind of stuff. And then I played around with some different fonts just in Word to get the letters the way I wanted them. I plan on doing the letters as outset letters. By that I mean I'm going to carve away the wood around the letters, leaving the letters proud of the surface. You'll see what I mean if that doesn't make sense. As I said in the intro, the animals are really happy with how they went. Really nice and crisp, and I like it. I don't think I'd change anything in how they worked. The letters, basically just my own fault. I kept messing up. The outset letters, of course, you're following the outside of the line versus the inside of the line. And 2 or 3 times I forgot what I was doing and went on the wrong side of the line and messed it up. Purely first timer error, nothing to do with the technique. Just I need practice at it. So what I'm doing here is I've got some carbon paper that I put underneath of the images that I have taped on there, and I'm just tracing right over top of them. So it's just following the lines that are already there. I have zero artistic ability, none. Like, it's sad how badly I can draw, but anybody can trace a line, right? So these turned out pretty easy to do, just a matter of following the lines. So when you pick your animal pictures, pick ones that are simple, not a whole lot of detail for your first ones. The more detail, of course, the harder it is with the router. You have to use smaller bits for more detail and bigger bits for other ones. I do switch bits a few times through this project, as you'll see, but it's basically I do all the detail with one bit and then just switch to a bigger bit to hog out some of the material left, mainly around the letters inside of that cloud. I'm just going to do this first animal here in real time speed, just so you can see. This really doesn't take very long. This is the first time I've ever tried this, and you can see it's pretty straightforward. There's no real mystery here. And then I'll speed things up again for the rest, because watching me trace this out isn't that exciting. All right, that is about it, I think, for now. Let's... See, the carving's pretty much done. That's except for some finish work around the edges. That's it for the rotor. It turned out pretty good. Like I say, never tried this stuff before. Not bad. Don't be scared to give it a try yourself. Easy breezy. So now we just have to do the finish work on this. First, I'm just setting up my my edging bit there on that piece of scrap. Put an edge around it, and then sand it all up. Put some paint in the carving so it'll show up, and a little finish.